Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy. Dr. Levy has been coming into the classroom since 2021, but every time he comes on, I learn something new. I want to encourage you to listen with curiosity. Tune in to the classroom, check out the classroom out. We're going to be talking about the many pathways to health. And he goes right into all his information that is food for thought. It's where I encourage all of you to become your own MD, your own medical detective. And sometimes we know something, but it takes a lot of repetition to have it sink in. So if you think you've heard it before, think again. You'll hear it in a different way, just like today for me. After we were done with the classroom, I said, Dr. Levy, this is something I'm committed to, and I'm recommitting to it. And he's such a wonderful doctor and a very caring man. And I am just so excited about sharing this information. And I'm even more excited that we're going to be Zooming Dr. Thomas Levy in to the I Am the Solution Natural Health Summit for Cancer and Autoimmune Disease. Trust me, the information today and the information he will share on November 1st, 2025 at the Space Coast Health Foundation in Rockledge, Florida is life-changing. I remember last year and the year before that, after we were done with the summit, I don't know how many people said to me, I went straight and got a nebulizer. I went straight and got some vitamin C. I went straight because there's so much we don't know we don't know. How do you know unless you are open to learn it? So I want to encourage you to continue to learn new truths. Like I said before in the classroom, share the video, sharing the video with your friends, watch it with your family, learn how to take care of your body, give your body what it needs so that the toxins start being less and less and less. And once there's no toxicity in the body, as what we said today, then disease goes away. And so do whatever you can to live the life of your dreams. We're giving away 2 tickets to go to the I Am the Solution Natural Health Summit. And we're giving the tickets away before the event. So probably it'll be less than a week from today. Less than a week from today. Once we get your name in if you're listening or watching on not just BitChute, but podcast, where you're just listening, or if you're watching, and you can be a part of the event, then send your request, text it to 407-373-5959. Make sure that you claim the 2 tickets or 1 ticket, whatever it is, we're going to be giving away 2. So it's either one person gets 1 or one person gets 2. So the first person that gets selected, they will choose if they're going to have 1. But you got to be present, be able to come to the event on November 1st from 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening Eastern time, which means that we're going to open registration at 8. You can come as early as 8 and stay as late as 6 because we're going to have fun. We're going to have fun. We're going to see so many wonderful people and learn from incredible teachers, great vendors, and experience therapies so that you can say, my body loves this. My body doesn't love this. And then you start tailoring what works for you. So you know what to do. Either text me at 407-373-5959 or get your tickets with the IATS if you want $20 off. So it's IATS 25 and we'll give you $25 off. I'm just doing this for the Dr. Levy experience. And so I'm looking forward to seeing you at the summit. Get your tickets right away. We're expecting it to sell out. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lily McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!